Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, and not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 16th. Today it's actually Sunday, Easter Sunday, the 17th. No, it's the edition of Tuesday, April the 12th, 2022. Because in the yesterday's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the Tuesday edition. I've already solved two puzzles, the 1 star and the 2 stars, and there are two puzzles left, the tectonic with 1 star and the binary, and it's time for the binary now, boys and girls. Yes, the binary puzzle number, this will be number 4421. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. Now I need to think. Yeah. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So if I count, we have here the first O, second O, third O, the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need to compare. If I can compare. Can I compare? Well, this column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then need to compare again. No, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O here. Yeah. Almost the same. Yeah. I'm thinking. 101. Cannot continue with this. How about that? Double 1 here. Yeah. this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Yeah, well, I'm pleased. Yeah, you need to compare, otherwise it will be difficult. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, 8 tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.